Solve log base 8 of x plus 5 plus log base 8 of x minus 2 is equal to log base 8 of 8. Let's start by noticing that these are all log base 8 terms. On the left-hand side, we can use our product rule and write these as a single log statement as log base 8 of the product x plus 5 times x minus 2, that's equal to log base 8 of 8, which is equivalent to 1 because 8 to the first power is equal to 8. I'm next going to rewrite this equation in exponential form as 8 to the first is equal to this expression. So 8 to the first is equal to x plus 5 times x minus 2. Now let's solve this equation. FOIL these binomials, getting 8 is equal to x squared minus 2x plus 5x is a plus 3x, and minus 10. Here we have a quadratic equation. Let's put it in standard form, setting everything equal to 0. Thus, 0 is equal to x squared plus 3x. Subtract your 8 over to give a combined minus 18. Now we'll factor this trinomial on the right. It factors as two binomials with the leading terms, both x. Factors of negative 18 that sum to 3 are plus 6 and minus 3. Using our zero factor property, then x plus 6 is equal to 0, or x minus 3 is equal to 0. This gives x equal negative 6, or x equal 3. Now let's take a look at this proposed solution, x equal negative 6. In our equation, notice our first term is log base 8 of x plus 5. If x is negative 6, then this gives us a term which is log base 8 of negative 1. That's outside the domain for a logarithm. We can't take the log of a negative number, so we're going to have to reject this proposed solution. However, x equal 3 does check in that original equation. Please verify that. Let's summarize by saying our solution set is x equal 3.